In this video, I will show you how to create a push the red button equals a random punishment mechanic in PowerPoint like MrBeast did in one of his viral videos.
If you push this button, you will get an insanely stupid and random punishment.
What? Wear pants filled with mayonnaise!
In the video, he uses a real red button and a screen that shows an explosion followed by a text. In this video, I will add the red button on screen. First, you want to download all the MrBeast assets that you want for this video. Links to the websites are found in the description. You want to download an explosion video, a sound effect of an explosion, the font that MrBeast uses, and a red button image. After you downloaded the assets, it's time to design and animate. We will start by making a template, and after that we can copy and paste the slides where we will only change the text. First, you want to go to transitions and look at the right. Uncheck both boxes under advanced slide. After you uncheck the boxes, you want to go to design in the ribbon and click on format background. Change the background to black. You want to add the video first. Go to insert in the ribbon and go to video. Here, you can select your explosion video. After you inserted the explosion video, make sure that it stretches over the whole slide. You also want to add the sound effect. Go to insert in the ribbon and click on audio. Here, you can choose the sound effect as well. After that, you want to add the text. Go to insert in the ribbon and click on text box. I will use the MrBeast font, which is probably Obelix Pro. I make it big and wide so that it looks good. I will type in a placeholder punishment, for example, buy something in the store. You can center this text by selecting it, going to shape format in the ribbon, and going to align. Here, you click on align center and align middle. The last thing you want to do before animating is adding the red button. Go to insert in the ribbon and click on picture. Here you can add the red button. Make sure that it's at the bottom where it looks good. And now it's time to animate. Go to animations in the ribbon and you want to add the following animations to the slide. Click on the text, go to animations in the ribbon and select the fade animation. You then want to click on the video, click on add animation and add the disappearing fade animation to it. Be aware that you will have to use the add animation screen. Adding it the other way will result in the play and pause animations being overridden. At last, you want to animate the button. Click on the button and add a fly-in animation to it. And now, you want to open up the animation pane and make sure the animations are as following. Right click on the play video animation and click on start with previous. Right click on the sound effect animation and click on the start with previous. Right click on the text animation and click on start with previous. Right click the text animation again and click on timing. Here you can change the delay. I change my delay to 1.2 seconds. You then want to right click on the second video animation and click on start after previous. And lastly, you want to right click on the picture or the button animation and click on start with previous. The last thing to do before adding more slides is adding a hyperlink to the next slide on the button. You do this by right clicking on the button and clicking on link. Here, you go to place in this document and click on next slide. And now the template is done. Copy and paste this slide, add different punishments to it and have some fun. And there you have it. I hope this video helped. Consider subscribing and I will see you next time.